Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the 500 subscriber celebration hop for Christine over at Pattercrafts here on YouTube. I will include a link to Christine's channel in the description box below. Please be sure to check that out. She does some amazing work. And also in the description box below will be a link to Cindy Ellen, who is next up in the hop after me. So today I'm making a card that celebrates friendship. And I have an A2 size craft card base. And then I've already pre-cut some of my elements just to make this go a little quicker. My card mat I am using, that white wood grain is from the Would You Be Mine collection from Scrapping for Less. And I have cut it so that it's like just shy of the A2 size. And then I've also pulled out that red and white polka dot, which is from the Scrapping for Less Happy Mail collection. And I'm using the stamp set Friends of the Heart from Scrapping for Less as well. And I've already gone ahead and pre-stamped the hands with the heart like 1.5 times. And I've stamped it on the white cardstock and colored in the hands. And then I've also stamped out that heart on the red and white polka dot. I just thought that might be a cute little pattern for the heart. And so I will be fussy cutting that out. And then I also have some red and white cardstock from my stash. And then I've also pulled out some red pearls, some black vinyl circles, and then some red sequins. I haven't figured out what I want to finish decorating the card with, but I will go ahead and get the card made up and I can figure that out. So while I'm adhering the card base, I just want to tell you real quick, Teresa over at Scrapping for Less has generously decided to celebrate Christine by giving away a $50 gift certificate to the Scrapping for Less website. And in order to be eligible for that, you have to leave a comment on my video. And I am going to do a random drawing for one commenter from my video, and we'll submit that to Teresa. And all of the other hop participants will be doing the same thing. We're all going to submit one random name to Teresa, and then she will do another random drawing and select the winner of the gift certificate. So that is super sweet of Teresa to do that, and $50 would be very fun to spend in the Scrapping for Less shop. So here I'm fussy cutting my heart, and I'm cutting off a little bit of the black stamped border just so that the stamped outline on the white cardstock is kind of more prevalent. So I'm speeding up my cutting process just because you don't necessarily need to sit here and watch me fussy cut that out. And so now that I have that cut out, I am just going to glue it down to my mat there. I'm just using some art glitter glue. And then I will set that aside to let it dry for a minute. And I've also pulled out some white cardstock, and I'm using the sentiment Friends Like You Are Good for the Heart from that Friends of the Heart stamp set. So I'm just going to stamp out my sentiment on the white cardstock, and then we'll trim that down. And then I'm going to pull in that red cardstock that I've matted my hands holding the heart on, and I'm also going to just trim around and create a little mat for my sentiment as well. So have my pieces done, just trying to figure out how I want to lay it out. We'll glue my sentiment onto the mat with my art glitter glue again. And then we'll start gluing my pieces to the card. So I fiddle with this for a little bit, trying to figure out where I want to put my sentiment and kind of decide just to keep it simple and put it in the center. And then I've decided I think I want to use the sequins and just kind of scatter a handful of those around. So I'm just trying to figure out where exactly I want to put those sequins before I officially glue everything down. But while I finish this up, I just wanted to thank you guys for popping into my channel, watching my card. I hope you enjoyed this simple but sweet card celebrating friendship. And again, we are celebrating Christina over at Pattercrafts for her subscriber milestone. Her link again will be in the description box below. Check it out. And I will also link to Cindy Ellen, who is next up in the hop. So please continue on in the hop with Cindy Ellen and everyone else that is participating. Be sure to leave a comment if you would like a chance to be in the drawing for the $50 Scrapping for Less gift card. If you have any questions, please be sure to let me know. I will link any products I can find in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for your time today. Congratulations, Christine. And I hope you're all having a crafty day.